Hello friends and dear students, welcome everyone to this video on the importance of academic skills for academic success. Academic success depends on the skills that help the learners to retain and apply information. Academic skills are the abilities that help the students to succeed in an academic setting. These skills not only benefit the students to excel in exams, but can also lead to improvement in overall performance and help in future career success. Basic education tends to focus on reading skills, writing skills, mathematical skills, and technological literacy. So, how to improve these most important academic skills? To improve the writing skills, make writing a daily exercise. Practice will make you perfect. To improve the reading skills, incorporate reading sessions into your daily activities. One of the most effective ways to build your skills is to practice reading daily and take notes while you read. Reading comprehension is the ability to understand the information you have read. This skill is very important for exam success. To improve the mathematical skills, provide daily activities that enrich maths to your daily life. Set realistic goals and focus on one concept at a time. Technology literacy is essential for academic success in this digital world. Technology literacy is the ability to use, understand, and manage technology effectively. Technology is playing an increasingly pivotal role in education, and working with computers is an essential learning skill. To improve the academic skills, we should maintain full concentration during academic performance. We should learn the recall techniques, and we should have persistence. Academic skills are particularly important for excellence in exams. By improving the academic skills, students can also apply the lessons learned to new scenarios in future career. Best wishes to all the students. Thank you. Have a nice day. Remember to subscribe this channel. Press the bell icon to get all the updates from the channel Best Child Development and Parenting.